Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the cart icon from your Shopify headers. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then this is my Shopify store and the card icon on the top. Then on this video I will show you before and after removing the cart icon. So let's get started. Then guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then hit on online store, then go directly to the three dots. Then guys, select edit code. Then guys, it's take you directly to the code section. Then guys, you can tap in the search bar theme liquid, or you can select theme liquid if you see it. Then guys, after selecting the theme liquid, it will take you directly to this code. Then guys, just you need to scroll down until you get the last /forward body. You can just find /forward body, or you can control F on your laptop and tap /forward body. Then it will take you directly to the code. Then guys, after you find the /forward body, just tap the select before /forward body and hit and enter. Then guys, after adding then guys, you need to paste the code. Don't worry guys, the code on the description. Just enter the link on the description. It will take you directly to copy this code. Then just copy the small code, then copy the code, then go back and paste it on your liquid section. Then guys, after paste the code, just hit on save on the top. Then wait a few seconds to save the code on your Shopify store. Then go back again and you need just reload your page. Then guys, go and hit on view your online store. Then you will see after removing the card icon on your Shopify header. As you see guys, this is before and after remove the card icon on your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is the easy method to remove the card icon with the easy steps, even you are a beginner on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.